Pixel 7 Pro, all you need to know. Google Pixel 7 Pro is the latest smartphone from Google and comes with many new features. Are you aware of all the details about Pixel 7 Pro, like what is the Pixel 7 Pro, how it works, different uses for Pixel 7 Pro, pros and cons of using Pixel 7 Pro, tips to take better photos with Google Pixel 7 Pro, and how to use it effectively? In this video, we will take a look at some of the key features of the Pixel 7 Pro and give you a sneak peek of what users can expect. We'll also discuss some of the best ways to use the phone in its impressive app store, so stay tuned and let us help you understand Pixel 7 Pros in detail. But before we begin, subscribe to our channel to never miss out on more uploads like this. Let's begin. The first question that comes to our mind is, what is the Pixel 7 Pro? Google has just released its latest phone, Pixel 7 Pro. Designed for professional photographers and videographers, Pixel 7 Pro has a lot to offer. Here are 4 key features that set it apart from other phones: 4K video recording and 8 megapixel photos in low light, redesigned camera apps with quick access to easy key functions, a floating phone design with no bezels, and an edge-to-edge display. What are the features of the Pixel 7 Pro? If you're in the market for a new phone and are looking for something that'll last and perform well, the Pixel 7 Pro may be the perfect phone for you. It has an amazing camera that can take stunning photos, and the Google Assistant is another feature worth mentioning. It can do just about everything. Plus, the battery life is impressive. You should be able to get through a full day of use without having to recharge. So if you're looking for a phone that'll give you great photos and an amazing experience, the Pixel 7 Pro is perfect. Now, how to use Pixel 7 Pro. Undoubtedly, Google Pixel 7 Pro is one of the best camera phones on the market. Its amazing photo and video capabilities make it perfect for capturing memories that will last a lifetime. Here's everything you need to know about this amazing phone. Pixel 7 Pro comes with a powerful camera that allows you to capture photos and videos with stunning detail and clarity. You can store up to 256 gigabytes of photos and videos, making it perfect for storing all your special memories. Many features make Pixel 7 Pro an extremely versatile camera phone, like facial recognition and adjustable camera settings. You can also enroll in courses on the Google Play education platform to learn more about Pixel 7 Pros in detail. Now, let's discuss some of the users for Pixel 7 Pro. The Google Pixel 7 Pro device is packed with features and is now rated A+ by the Better Business Bureau. Some of the main uses for this phone include photos and videos, writing articles, and browsing the web. It's also great for making calls and staying connected while on the go. If you're in the market for a phone that will make your life easier, the Pixel 7 Pro is a perfect choice. What are some pros and cons of using the Pixel 7 Pro? There is no doubt that the Pixel 7 Pro is a powerful phone. It has all the features that advanced users need and more. However, it's not for the faint-hearted, as the price tag is quite high, and a few features are aimed at less experienced users. Nevertheless, the pros of the Pixel 7 Pro usually outweigh the cons in most cases, so if you're an advanced user who needs a phone that can do everything, then the Pixel 7 Pro is the one to choose. Furthermore, the Pixel 7 Pro is a great phone for photography enthusiasts and business people who need a reliable phone. Its camera is one of the best on the market, and its battery life is commendable. One benefit of the camera is its wide range of color options. This allows people to create photos and videos that look great no matter what the background color is. Price, specs, release date, and more about Pixel 7 Pro. Google has finally unveiled its latest flagship smartphone, the Pixel 7 Pro. This phone is packed with features and has a sleek new design sure to impress. The phone has a 6-inch display with an 18:9 aspect ratio, making it more immersive and enjoyable. Other noteworthy features include dual-lens cameras on the back and front and key wireless charging support. In addition, this phone will be available in 2 colors, just black and not pink, and has an RRP of €849 / $999 US. So, if you're looking for a phone that is not only beautiful but has tons of features, the Pixel 7 Pro is the perfect option. How does it compare to other smartphones? There is a new smartphone on the block, and it's called the Pixel 7 Pro. It has many features that make it a standout phone and is currently the best smartphone on the market. Here are some of the key pros of the Pixel 7 Pro and some cons to be aware of. Key pros of the Pixel 7 Pro are great camera capabilities, long battery life, advanced face unlock system, attractive design, wireless charging, and lots of advanced features for photo and video editing. What are some key pros to be aware of with the Pixel 7 Pro? Some people have complained about the phone not being water resistant, and others have complained about pixelation and poor brightness. Let's discuss some tips for better photos with the Pixel 7 Pro. Pixel 7 Pro is an amazing camera with many features that can help you capture better photos. Here are 4 tips that will help you get the most out of your camera. The first is to keep your camera clean and dust-free to get the best photos. The second is to use the night sight feature for better low-light shots. The third is to get close to your subject to capture flattering portraits with portrait mode. And finally, a daydream environment will help you disconnect from reality and take surrealistic photographs. Besides this, Pixel 7 Pro is a great tool to help you with your website design and development needs. Here, to get the most out of it, you will need to know how to use it efficiently. Here are some tips for how to do just that. First, when working on your website, make sure you have a clear idea of what you want it to look like, and what kind of functionality you want it to have. Also, when you open the app, you will be presented with various options. Choose the edit option and select the photo you want to retouch. That's very simple and easy. The Google Pixel 7 is quickly becoming a top phone choice for those looking for an advanced smartphone. With its larger display and improved camera system, it's no wonder this phone is quickly becoming one of the best-selling smartphone models on the market. Finally, we'll peek at some of the new Animoji characters that will get users all giggling. So, what are you waiting for? Go and buy it yourself. Pixel 7 Pro performance. The Pixel 7 Pro is a phone that offers great performance. It has a Snapdragon 855 processor with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It also has a triple rear camera array, which delivers stunning photos and videos. In addition, Google Assistant is available on the phone to enjoy all its features hands-free. Overall, the Pixel 7 Pro is a powerful phone that offers great performance and is perfect for anyone who wants a phone that can handle whatever they throw. If you're looking for a camera that can do it all, look no further than the Pixel 7 Pro. With its versatile features and efficient usage, this camera will help you take stunning photos and videos that amaze your friends and family. In addition, we have compiled a list of tips to help you get the most out of Pixel 7 Pro. So that's it for today's video, and yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.